Okay, great. So you just set up your S2 member pretty much. It's pretty much done. The only thing you need to do now is we just need to let them log in. And you can do this through creating a login button. So on our front page here, we're going to go to pages, right? All pages. So on our home page here. Okay, so let's just call this Birdhouse Design. And we want to make a link. Great birdhouse designs at a reasonable price. New every week. Also, videos on how to make them. So what we want to change these buttons to are subscribe, which will take them to the subscribe page, and login, which will take them to the login page. So these are the two most basic buttons that you need for pretty much any website, right? These are the two most basic buttons you need for your membership website. And once we link these, it's like pretty much done. So all you need to do is go to your pages, and you want to click on your membership options page, because this is the page where they will be asked if they want to subscribe, and you customize it and you do all your stuff to it, right? So we're going to want to look at the permalink and just copy this link right here. Now we'll paste that link code into this link area right here, so that when they press this button, it will take them to this page that allows them to click that PayPal button to subscribe. And it's really that easy. And for the login page, S2 Member uses, as I said before, the WordPress login functionality. So here is the login and registration page, right? So you can register through here, or this would be simply the login page. So you're going to want to copy this link like I did before. You can find this through, you go to S2 Member, General, you go to General Options, and then Login and Registration Design, and then you want to just use this login portion. So here you would allow already members to be able to log in. You also want them to be able to access your content. So if you have a member, they want an easy way to be able to get to the content that they paid for. You want to make your site easy to access, easy to maneuver. So we're going to go here to About Us. We're actually going to change this. You know what? We'll add that About Us page will also be a membership service. Okay. So for here, About Us, you're not going to be able to access this page unless you are a subscribed member. Now, let's go and we'll take a look at the site now, because it's pretty much 100% functional at this point. All you need to do at this point is fill it out with your own content, which is pretty simple. You just make your videos, make what you make your ebooks, make posts, make blog posts, teach what you love doing. Obviously, you'd put your own logo here and everything. And like I said before, Neve Elementor makes it really easy, self-explanatory. And there's other tutorials out there on how to do that, but this tutorial really isn't covering that stuff, because in my opinion it's pretty self-explanatory. Like I said, the first thing is to make our page actually active so people can see it. Okay, this is actually something we need to do in Bluehost. So we go to Bluehost. Okay, so you're going to want to go to Settings and then disable that Coming Soon active page, right? So we want to be able to see the full website right away now. Lastly, what we're going to do, there's one more thing. I'm going to show you how to make a user, so that you can make a test user to access your site in, say, an incognito tab, which clears your cookies and stuff, so it looks like someone else would be logging in. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to Users, All Users, and then I'm going to go ahead and add a user. Click this Add New button up here, call this Test. Their email is going to be, okay, so we don't have to put in their name. We're going to make them a new password that's just going to be test123, and I'm going to allow them to use the test password. Okay, so their role is a S2 member level 1 subscriber. We are going to be able to log into this test account and see what the site looks like from someone new's perspective, right? So now that we have that, we can go ahead and see that, oh, this subscribe button works. Okay, so that's totally cool, right? We can pay, we can check out. All you need to do is customize it so it looks a little bit better. But now, see, you can enter your login, or you can create an account. So that works. And now we have our login button. This will take us to the login page, and you would obviously be able to customize this and put your logo and everything. So we're gonna go ahead and click do test 1 2 3. And now this is what it's going to look like from your subscriber standpoint. See, here's the login welcome page that we made. It gives you all of your account details and everything. And now I can access this membership site right here. So this is only available to our members. So let's say I log out. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like if I wasn't logged in and I tried to access this link. And this is the great part about S2 Member. Now, let's say I try to go to that locked page that wouldn't work if I wasn't a member, right? So I'm a member trying to access this locked page, and it automatically takes me to the membership options page, which is great. So we've pretty much set up the whole thing. All you need to do now is add your own content. Like I said, add your ebook, your videos, or whatever. It's that simple. Just add some text, make it look pretty. Really simple. Just you can look up Elementor tutorials, WordPress tutorials. It's all out there. This was sort of more for the S2 member portion of that, and getting Bluehost, getting your website up and running. And like I said, this can be a lucrative business. You just take a weekend, take a block of time, set it up. That's it. You're done. It's that easy. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope it was interesting, engaging, and I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed, and that has been my Skillshare lesson.